It's a 2018 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V8 engine. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.